Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my Korean fried chicken. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now let's cook. So now guys, to season my chicken, I'm adding garlic powder. I'm also adding oregano, paprika, meat season, black pepper, Cajun season, garlic, and ginger. Now just mixing all that season together, just making sure that everything is well combined. And this was packed with flavor, guys. So good. So guys, I set this in buttermilk for about an hour. Yeah. Now guys, for the coating, I'm adding meat season, chili powder, parsley flakes, Cajun season, and I'm just mixing all that together in the flour. Now I'm gonna be coating my chicken. Now guys, after all your chicken has coated, you just want to check to see if your oil is hot. Now I'm using a wooden knife to check that. Now I'm gonna be adding my chicken pieces to that oil. Now I'm gonna be cooking them for about 10 minutes on each side, a total of 20 minutes. Now you want to be flipping your chicken, guys, now and again, just so that it doesn't burn. Now guys, look how beautiful and crispy that is. Oh my goodness, so good. Now guys, after your chicken has cooked, you just want to transfer those to a wire rack just to drain the excess oil. Now guys, for our sauce, I'm using 1 cup of wing sauce, I'm also using 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and this, guys, is honey. It was just hard and I melted it, yeah. And this is more honey, the fresh one, not the hard one. Now, guys, that wing sauce, I'm gonna be showing you guys the brand in a few minutes or second or so. Now I'm gonna be whisking this together until everything is well combined. Guys, this is the wing sauce that I used. I didn't like it that much, so I just went ahead and add a couple more ingredients. Now, guys, I'm just adding that sauce to my chicken, and when I tell you, this was so good. The sauce, oh my god, the sauce was out of this world, guys. I wish I had add sweet chili to it. That would just make it so bomb, but regardless, it was so good. I went ahead and I topped that off with some sesame seed, and yeah, so good. Just so good, guys. I love you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos, and I love you guys so much again for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.